In this video, we're going to learn how to multiply matrices. So in this case, you have A to be 1, 2, 5, 6, and B is 5, 6, 2, 1. So now we want to obtain the product of the two, that is A times B. So A times B will be 1, 2, 5, 6 times B, which is 5, 6, 2, 1. So to multiply matrices, the rows multiply the columns. So the first row in the first matrix will multiply each column in the second matrix. So we'll start by 1 times 5, 1 times 5 plus 2 times 2, 2 times 2. Then we're going to go 1 times 6, 1 times 6 plus 2 times 1, 2 times 1. Then we're done with the first row. So we go to the second row, that is 5 times 5, 5 times 5 plus 6 times 2, 6 times 2. Then we go 5 times 6, 5 times 6 plus 6 times 1, 6 times 1. Then we enclose this in a bracket because this is also a matrix. So now we're going to have 1 times 5 is 5 plus 2 times 2, which is 4. Then we have 1 times 6, which is 6 plus 2 times 1, which is 2. Then 5 times 5, which is 25, plus 6 times 2, which is 12. Then you have 5 times 6, which is 30, plus 6 times 1, which is 6. So if we simplify this, we're going to have 9 as the first entry, then 8. And here we're going to have 25 plus 12, that is 37. Then here we have 30 plus 6, which is just 36. And that is what we have.